Okay, I want you to get ready for this little rehearsal on this 4th of July jet plane type of ride. So I'm gonna do this for some kind of show. So on three, two, one, go! All right, this is Jerry here, and I'm here to controlling this jet plane. So I gotta do this for the 4th of July show. Okay, the obvious ones are loopy-loobs and zigzags and other things that could work. Let's see. And this. Okay, seems to work. You know, some stuff are pretty much could be easy for me since this is just a rehearsal and I'm gonna remember it for that 4th of July show. So I'm sure this is gonna be quite easy for me. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun one for me. So hope things go well and nothing's bad is gonna happen. And I'm sure that I'm gonna do something stupid here. So here I go. Okay, that did good. Let's see, what other fan? Let's see, okay, seems to work. Let's see, how about this? Okay, let's see, it seems like that I have like a good amount of fuel left for me, so I think this could go easy for me, since I haven't this fan has been used like a lot before me. So let's see how it goes while doing this rehearsal. And okay, and I don't know what I'm gonna do it now. Let's see if I gonna do the what the? Oh no. I think I'm gonna go somewhere deep. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Please help me. I'm gonna get eaten by these damn sharks. I'll save you from these damn sharks. What the heck is that noise? I don't know. Can you just look at it? Let's see. I saw something flying. And there's, I think it's red and blue colored, and it's gonna drop into the ocean. Drop in the ocean? What? Ah! Boys, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Let me see. Yeah, he's still breathing. Oh, good. What about your jet plane? Jet plane? What? Not my baby. It's gone. It's freaking gone. Well, maybe I should put up a sign that said, "Do not use jet planes into the water, or there could be consequences." Am I get killed? No, you're just fine. Thank you. Remember, don't fall asleep when riding a jet plane, or else there could be consequences. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. But sadly, tomorrow is going to be the last video for this week before I go off to vacation from July 5th up until July 10th, where I'm going to be coming back with a reaction video on July 11th, hopefully, for the second channel. So stick around that. So happy summer still, and see you for more on tomorrow. So bye bye.